Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture we're gonna show how we can convert a view to a sketch or a block. So here we have some standard views, front, top and asymmetric views. So we can click on this view and we can position this view wherever we want. So if we click on this view, here we have view properties, drawing view 3. And now we want to convert this view into sketch. So we can right click on this view and down here we have convert view to sketch. So let's select this. So here on the left side we have 3 options. We have replace view with sketch, replace view with block, and insert as a block. So first let's go replace view with sketch. Let's click OK. And now conversion is done and nothing changed except for appearance. So if we click here, we can also drag this wherever we want. But we get closer, we go with mouse here, and if we go to this point, let's click on this point and let's try to drag this point. We can see that we can drag those lines. So this is not a view anymore, this is sketch, because when we have a view, we can drag those lines. So if we go back, like this, if we go here at this point, we see that we can't stretch those lines, because this is a view. Let's go right click again. Now let's go to convert view to sketch. Let's go with replace view with block. Let's click OK. So we have different appearance, but everything is the same. If we click here, we can drag this model, as we can see. But now if we click on this model, we see here we don't have drawing view. This is a block 1. So this is not a view anymore, this is only a block. As well, if we go to this point, we see that we can't stretch with those lines, because this is not a sketch. Now let's go back again. Let's right click again. Let's go with convert view to sketch. Now let's go insert as a block. Let's click OK. And now we can put a block here. We can put 1 block. We can put 2nd block. We can put as many blocks as we want. Let's go with OK. And now if we click here, we see this is drawing view. This one. But those one are not drawing views, they are blocks. So we click here. We can see this is a block 2. If we click on this one, we can see also this is block 2. So those are not views and sketches, those are our blocks. And this one is a view. So this is how we can convert a view to sketch and to block. And in the next chapter, in the next lecture, we are gonna show how to create center marks and center lines. So here we have a front view. When we create a front view, automatically on the house are created center mark. But here on the slot and on the village are not. So we can add them manually. We can go to annotation tab. And here we have center mark. So let's choose center mark. And we want to create a center mark here on the village. We can just go to this village and just click here. And this is our center mark. If we want to create a center mark here for this slot, we can go to this semicircle or this one here and just click. And here is our center mark. Let's click OK. Now let's go to this view here. And here we have a hole. Holes are designated by the dashed lines. And now we want to create here a center line between the dashed lines. So let's go to annotation tab. Let's choose center line. So let's choose this dashed line and this one here. So here we created a center line. If we want to create a center line for this hole here, we can choose this line and this line, or this line and this line, or this line and this line, or we can go here, we can select this line and this line here. And now here we have created center line. And now we're gonna show how we can automatically create center marks for fillets and slots when we insert some view. So let's go here to the options. Let's go to Document Properties and Detailing. In here under Auto Insert or View Creation, we have a checked Center Marks Holes. This is checked. Here we have Center Marks Fillets and Center Mark Slots, and this is not checked. So we can check this one and this one. Let's click OK. So now let's insert top view again, like this. And now if we go down here, we can see that here we have center mark, and for fillets we have center mark, and they are created automatic. So this is how we can create center marks and center lines automatically and manually. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.
Sanche